In front of me is Motorola RAZR 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to hit Apps. Then scroll again to hit Cloned Apps and tap on plus icon next to an app you wish to clone. Then wait, and as you can see, when I go back, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use bin icon next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!